Welcome to our YouTube channel, where we unlock the secrets of digital marketing and online revenue generation. This is your platform, your community, where we together delve into the diverse and dynamic world of online money-making. Here, we break down the complexities of affiliate marketing, explore the potential of e-commerce, and demystify the power of social media. But that's not all. We bring you weekly tips, insightful tutorials, and innovative strategies, all aimed at helping you achieve online success. Whether you're a seasoned digital marketer or taking your first steps into the online wilderness, this channel is your space to learn, grow, and break free from the 9-to-5 grind. So why wait? Subscribe now and embark on your journey to financial freedom. Now it's time to dive deeper into today's topic, the art of SEO. Stay tuned as we unravel the ways of optimizing your content for online revenue. Understanding SEO, or search engine optimization, is the first step towards optimizing your content for online revenue. So, what exactly is SEO? Simply put, it's the art and science of making your content discoverable by search engines, thereby increasing the visibility of your website or blog. But why is it so crucial for your online content? Well, think of the internet as a vast ocean, and your content as a tiny boat. Without a compass, that is, SEO, your boat is likely to get lost in the sea of information. Now, let's dive a little deeper into how search engines work. When you type something into a search engine, it doesn't just randomly pick a website. It uses complex algorithms to sift through billions of pages to provide you with the most relevant results. These algorithms consider many factors, but one of the main ones is keywords. Imagine you're a search engine and you're asked to find the best articles about how to bake a chocolate cake. You'd probably look for articles that frequently mention phrases like chocolate cake, bake, and recipe. These phrases are what we call keywords. They serve as indicators of what a piece of content is about. Therefore, strategically placing relevant keywords in your content can significantly improve your search engine ranking. However, keep in mind that SEO isn't just about stuffing your content with keywords. It's about providing valuable and relevant information that meets the user's search intent. This is why understanding your audience and their needs is crucial in creating successful SEO content. Moreover, SEO is not an overnight process. It requires patience, consistent effort, and a keen understanding of the ever-changing search engine algorithms. But the payoff is worth it. With effective SEO, your content can reach a wider audience, increase your website traffic, and ultimately boost your online revenue. Now that we have a basic understanding of SEO, let's move on to the steps to optimize your content. Before we continue, let's talk about a tool that can greatly enhance your SEO game: GetResponse. This platform is not just an email marketing software, it's a comprehensive solution for your digital marketing needs. GetResponse comes packed with a suite of features that can aid in your SEO efforts. It offers an intuitive landing page builder, a robust email marketing tool, and even a webinar platform. Think about the power of integrating all of these into your SEO strategy. Crafting SEO-optimized landing pages, sending out personalized emails, and hosting webinars to boost your site's authority. All under one roof. And the best part? You can track, analyze, and optimize your campaigns right within GetResponse. Don't forget, the link to GetResponse is in the description below. By using our affiliate link, you're not just getting a powerful tool, but also supporting our channel to bring you more content like this. With GetResponse, you're one step closer to mastering the art of SEO. Let's continue with our SEO optimization process. Optimizing your content for SEO involves several key steps. Let's break each one down so you can master the art of SEO and optimize your content to its full potential. First off, keyword research. This is the backbone of SEO. It's about finding the right terms that people are using to search for products or services like yours. There are tools available online, both free and paid, that can help you with this. These tools not only help you find the most relevant keywords, but also give you an insight into your competition. Remember, the goal is not to find just any keywords, but the right keywords that align with your content and can drive traffic to your site. Moving on, we have on-page optimization. This is all about making your website search engine friendly. It involves optimizing your meta tags, adding alt text to images, ensuring your website is mobile friendly, and improving your site's load speed. The better your on-page optimization, the easier it is for search engines to understand what your site is about and rank it accordingly. Next, we have content creation. The saying, "content is king," still holds true in the world of SEO. You need to create high-quality, engaging content that provides value to your audience. This could be in the form of blog posts, videos, infographics, or podcasts. Whatever form your content takes, it should be original, relevant, and useful to your audience. It's also important to update your content regularly, as search engines favor websites that are consistently updated. Then we have link building. This involves getting other websites to link back to your site. These are known as backlinks, and they play a crucial role in SEO. When other reputable sites link to your content, it signals to search engines that your content is valuable and trustworthy. There are several strategies for link building, including guest blogging, social media marketing, and influencer outreach. However, always remember that quality trumps quantity when it comes to backlinks. Lastly, we have monitoring. SEO is not a one-and-done deal. It requires constant monitoring and tweaking. You need to regularly monitor your website's performance, track your rankings, and analyze your traffic data. This will help you understand what's working, what's not, and where there's room for improvement. There are numerous SEO tools available that can help you with this, providing you with detailed reports and insights. In conclusion, SEO optimization is a process. It involves keyword research, on-page optimization, content creation, link building, and monitoring. Each step is crucial and plays its part in boosting your site's visibility on search engines, driving traffic, and ultimately, boosting your online revenue. By following these steps, you can effectively optimize your content for SEO and boost your online revenue. Remember, SEO is an art and it takes time to master, but with patience, practice, and persistence, you can become an SEO maestro and elevate your online success to new heights. Let's quickly recap what we've learned today about the art of SEO. We started by demystifying the basics of search engine optimization. It's all about making your content discoverable, readable, and valuable to both your audience and search engines. We learned that keywords are the lifeblood of SEO, but they need to be used strategically and ethically. Overuse or misuse can lead to penalties from search engines. We then delved into the steps of SEO optimization. We underscored the importance of conducting thorough keyword research to understand what your audience is looking for. We talked about optimizing your content with these keywords, but in a way that's natural and adds value. We also highlighted the significance of link building both internally within your site and externally with reputable sources. Lastly, we emphasized the need for consistent monitoring and adjusting of your SEO strategies based on data and analytics. In the heart of our discussion, we introduced GetResponse, a versatile tool that can significantly enhance your SEO efforts. GetResponse is not just an email marketing tool, it offers a suite of features designed to help you attract, engage, and retain your audience. It aids in creating engaging content, automating your marketing efforts, and most importantly, it provides insightful analytics to help you understand and improve your SEO performance. Remember, SEO is not a one-time task, but a continuous process. It requires regular updates and revisions based on ever-evolving search engine algorithms and user behavior. And yes, it may seem overwhelming at times, but remember, every step you take towards optimizing your content takes you one step closer to increasing your online revenue. In conclusion, mastering the art of SEO is an ongoing journey of learning, adapting, and improving. It's about understanding the language of search engines and speaking it effectively through your content. It's about turning visitors into customers and customers into advocates. Remember, mastering the art of SEO is a journey, not a destination. Keep learning, keep optimizing, and watch your online revenue grow. Thank you for joining us today, and don't forget to subscribe for more digital marketing insights.